loves, I am Lynn and this is my husband George and welcome to our channel. Today we're very excited to share and to show you what we purchased.
So what we purchased is the DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone, and hopefully we are going to have awesome aerial shootings in our next videos.
Yes.
That is, if we don't crash it tomorrow, which is its first flight, and it's our first drone.
Yes, it's our first trial.
So I thought you might be interested to unbox it in front of a camera, so you guys what's inside this magic box.
Yes, and we're very excited with that. Woohoo!
Yeah! Okay, let's open this box and see what's inside. Finally. The moment of truth. Wow. And this is our brand new Mavic 2 Pro. And here we have the aircraft. And then we have the remote controller. And we got one box, two boxes, three boxes. So let's start opening each box. It's a cable box. We have adapter cords, adapters. This is for charging. This is the charger. And the cord. And we have the third box. Which includes the propellers, 3 of them, manuals, we have 6 of them. It's 4 for the drone and 1 pair spare. You see it's full of sensors up at the side, bottom. This is the LED lights for landing, sensors. We remove the tags. This is a battery pack. We need to charge now and update the software. And this is how it looks, guys, after we assemble the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Tomorrow we are planning to fly it. This will be our first test flight, and of course we are going to share our awesome aerial photo shoots with you. We have already updated firmware and we powered on, so you can see by yourself how it looks. Okay, see you tomorrow!
Hi loves, today it's our first trial and it's ready to take off.